Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best belt sanders that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Metabo HPT Belt Sander. This Metabo HPT's 9-amp motor brings serious power that really makes it particularly well suited for tackling heavy-duty sanding jobs. In my tests, it quickly powered through a pine board, removing significant layers of material with each pass, and leaving a balanced, gouge-free surface. The transparent front window helped me keep an eye on the belt, and the wired dust bag mostly stayed out of my way, while doing an admirable job collecting dust. This is one of the heaviest models out there, but that heft keeps it steady during aggressive sanding tasks. Combined with its rock-solid build and 5-year limited warranty, this is the sander I'd pick if I could only choose one, especially if cordless mobility isn't a priority. Moving on. At number 4, we have the DEWALT 20 volts Max Belt Sander. This DEWALT model's cordless design delivered the smoothest finish of any battery-powered sander I tested. It felt well balanced in my hands, and the variable speed dial was simple to read and adjust while in operation. It comes with a soft bag for dust collection, and it performed above average by that metric. I also really appreciated the swivel adapter for shop vac use. Belt changes were easy too. Just flip the lever, swap the belt, and you're back to work. While you need your own battery and charger, it's a great upgrade for anyone already in DEWALT's 20 volts max ecosystem. At number 3, we have the CRAFTSMAN Electric 7-amp Belt Sander. Spending hundreds of dollars on a high-end belt sander doesn't make sense for someone who uses it for just a few projects a year. If that's you, this CRAFTSMAN model offers a ton of value. During testing, it removed material well, although it did lack the speed and efficiency of higher-end options. So give yourself a little more work time. The dust port is designed vertically, which gives the sander a relatively slim profile. This helps you save space, and when combined with its 3-position front handle and front guard that flips out of the way, this is one of the best sanders I tested when it comes to accessing tighter areas. Its slightly rear-heavy feel was a little imbalanced though, and required a little more effort to keep it flat along the workpiece. While its slower speed increases the length of time it takes to get your job done, this sander also costs a fraction of premium belt sanders that produce higher speeds. At number 2, we have the WEN 20418 20 volts Max Cordless Belt Sander. The WEN 20418 provides strong cordless performance at a price that undercuts most of its competitors. Its variable speed range, 400 to 150 FPM, makes it easy to control, and the speed control dial conveniently sits right next to the trigger. The included dust adapter fits snugly around my shop vac hose outlet. Belt swaps were quick and easy thanks to the lever release system. And the grip and handle positioning, very similar to the DEWALT and Metabo HPT sanders I tested, kept it comfortable during longer sanding sessions. It's not quite as refined as premium cordless models, but for those in the market for something that offers portability and solid performance on a budget, this is a great choice. And finally, at number 1, we have the DEWALT 20 volts Max XR Cordless Bandfile Power Tool Belt Sander. This DEWALT cordless belt sander operates in tight and intricate spaces without compromising any power. Its 20-volt brushless motor produces speeds up to 600 FPM, which means it removes a lot of material quickly. Its narrow 1/2-inch belt removed material faster than I expected, so I really appreciated the versatility of the variable speed dial. I cranked it down during testing for delicate curves and contours, and it worked as expected. The sanding arm also rotates 104 degrees for more flexibility when sanding from different angles, and the LED light helped when I worked in shadow-heavy environments. Its grip is solid, like that of many DEWALT power tools, and I had no trouble keeping it stable, even when I worked on tricky surfaces. A removable side handle gives you even more control, and the tool folds down compactly for convenient storage. This sander lacks a dedicated dust collection system, but for detail work, its impressive blend of power, maneuverability, and control more than makes up for it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.